Okay guys, so this is the fan that came apart. Now, you don't see any cracks in it. But hey, it'll break. Now that broke right where I had it in the vise. Let's see if we don't tighten it up tight, how well it'll flex. Okay. Let's go a little bit closer. So, you can grab these by hand and flex them, and they don't look cracked, and they flex pretty good. But I guess the hard-won lesson here is replace them. This thing cost, well, the new one cost about half of what a radiator costs. Or remove them and put in an electric fan. It's not worth the hassle.